As we age, the body quietly changes in ways we don't always notice. The heart, arteries, and even the smallest blood vessels begin to work harder than they once did. Many people over 65 assume chest pain or shortness of breath are the first signs of heart trouble, but the truth is, artery clogging often begins in silence long before symptoms appear. What if the answer to slowing or even reversing that process could be found in something as simple as what you add to your morning oatmeal? For decades, doctors have called oatmeal one of the most heart-friendly breakfasts, and that reputation is well earned. Oats contain soluble fiber, known as beta-glucan, which helps sweep excess cholesterol out of your bloodstream before it can settle along arterial walls. But recent nutritional studies reveal that when you combine oatmeal with certain powerful natural ingredients, its artery-clearing potential can increase dramatically. This small daily habit could protect the heart, regulate blood pressure, and even reduce the risk of heart attacks among seniors. To understand why this is so effective, we must first know what truly happens inside our arteries as we grow older. The inner walls of arteries are lined with a thin, smooth layer of endothelial cells that allow blood to flow freely. Over time, cholesterol particles, calcium, and fatty acids can begin to adhere to those walls, forming plaque. This plaque thickens and hardens the arteries, restricting blood flow and oxygen delivery to vital organs such as the heart and brain. When a piece of plaque breaks off, it can block blood flow entirely, triggering a heart attack or stroke. Researchers at the Cleveland Clinic describe this process as a slow, progressive disease that often goes unnoticed until it's advanced. By the time most people reach 65, some degree of arterial plaque already exists. However, the encouraging truth is that nutrition can play a key role in slowing, stopping, or even reversing the damage. Certain foods help reduce LDL while raising HDL that acts as a natural cleanser for the arteries. Oatmeal, especially when enhanced with the right mix of ingredients, is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support arterial health naturally. The powerful oatmeal combination that protects aging arteries. In research conducted at Harvard University and the Mayo Clinic, older adults who ate oatmeal daily experienced noticeable improvements in cholesterol levels and artery flexibility. However, not every participant saw the same results. The real secret lay in what they added to their oats. Those who mixed in flax seeds, walnuts, cinnamon, and berries showed far greater benefits: lower LDL cholesterol, improved arterial elasticity, and reduced inflammation markers. This simple breakfast habit turned out to be a quiet but powerful protector against age-related heart decline. Flax seeds, though tiny, are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These healthy fats are essential for reducing inflammation and maintaining smooth blood flow. A landmark study published in Hypertension 2013 revealed that adults who consumed flaxseed daily experienced significant drops in blood pressure and arterial stiffness within just 6 months. Adding a single tablespoon of ground flax seeds to oatmeal can deliver a potent anti-inflammatory effect, helping arteries relax and lowering the risk of plaque buildup. What makes flax seeds even more remarkable is their high content of lignans, which are the plant compounds with antioxidant and hormone balancing properties. These lignans provide additional protection for postmenopausal women who face a heightened risk of heart disease due to hormonal changes after age 60. Walnuts bring another layer of protection to this heart-healthy combination. Known as one of the most nutrient-dense nuts, walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and phytosterols. These nutrients work together to block cholesterol absorption in the intestines and support smooth artery function. A 2021 study published in Mayo Clinic Proceedings found that older adults who ate a small handful of walnuts at least 4 times a week had up to a 25% lower risk of cardiovascular disease compared to those who rarely ate nuts. The healthy fats in walnuts also enhance endothelial function, meaning the arteries stay flexible, open, and able to respond effectively to changes in blood flow. This improved circulation translates to better oxygen delivery throughout the body and more efficient heart performance. Cinnamon, often underestimated as a simple kitchen spice, holds powerful cardiovascular properties. Researchers from the Journal of Functional Foods, 2022, discovered that cinnamon improves lipid metabolism and enhances insulin sensitivity, both of which influence how efficiently the body manages fats and sugars. When sprinkled into oatmeal, cinnamon's polyphenols and antioxidants work in harmony with the beta-glucan fiber in oats to strengthen artery walls, stabilize blood sugar levels, and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of cinnamon has also been linked to lower total cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are the two major contributors to arterial hardening and plaque buildup. Even a small daily amount can contribute to smoother, more elastic blood vessels. And then there are the berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, which bring vibrant color and powerful heart protection to the bowl. These fruits are rich in anthocyanins, the natural pigments responsible for their deep hues and exceptional antioxidant strength. Harvard's renowned Nurses' Health Study, which followed over 90,000 participants for 18 years, found that women who ate 3 or more servings of berries per week had a 34% lower risk of heart attack compared to those who consumed them rarely. Anthocyanins help maintain vascular elasticity, combat oxidative stress, and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a damaging process that makes bad cholesterol more harmful to artery walls. Whether enjoyed fresh or frozen, adding a handful of berries to oatmeal not only enhances flavor, but also delivers measurable improvements in cardiovascular resilience. When combined, these 4 powerhouse ingredients like flax seeds, walnuts, cinnamon, and berries transform a simple bowl of oats into a complete heart-healing meal. The soluble fiber in oatmeal binds with bile acids in the digestive system, carrying out excess cholesterol from the body. Omega-3 fatty acids from flax seeds and walnuts reduce inflammation and repair delicate arterial linings. Cinnamon helps regulate metabolism and balance glucose levels, while berries act as natural defenders against oxidative damage and premature artery aging. What's truly fascinating is how quickly the body begins to respond to this nourishing blend. Research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, shows that older adults who incorporate a fiber-rich, omega-3 enriched breakfast into their routine notice significant improvements in arterial elasticity, energy levels, and blood circulation within just a few weeks. In some cases, blood flow improvements are visible overnight as nitric oxide levels rise and arteries begin to relax more efficiently. This rapid improvement is why many experts refer to it as overnight protection, because the nutrients in these foods start repairing and rejuvenating the arteries from the very first meal. The morning ritual that strengthens the heart. Imagine starting your day with a meal that works like a daily repair session for your arteries. Preparing this oatmeal blend is simple yet transformative. Start with old-fashioned or steel-cut oats, as they retain more fiber and nutrients than instant varieties. While cooking, stir in a tablespoon of ground flax seeds and a small handful of chopped walnuts. Once cooked, top with a half cup of mixed berries and a sprinkle of cinnamon. If you enjoy a touch of sweetness, use a teaspoon of raw honey, as it offers mild antioxidant properties without the harmful sugar spikes of refined sweeteners. The effectiveness of this ritual lies in repetition. The American Heart Association emphasizes that consistency is the true secret to cardiovascular improvement. Even small, regular habits compound over time. Seniors who eat an enhanced oatmeal breakfast daily report not only better cholesterol readings, but also improved stamina, mental clarity, and digestive balance. When blood flow improves, oxygen reaches the brain more efficiently, supporting sharper focus and better memory retention. It's not an exaggeration to say that heart health and cognitive function go hand in hand. This morning habit also supports weight management and joint comfort, which are the two major concerns for people over 65. Fiber keeps you full longer, preventing overeating, while omega-3s from flax and walnuts help reduce inflammation in the joints. A Mayo Clinic nutrition program involving senior participants found that after switching to an oatmeal-based breakfast for 1 month, many reported easier movement, lower blood pressure, and improved cholesterol profiles. As we age, metabolism slows naturally, and arteries lose some of their elasticity. Hormonal changes, especially in women after menopause, can cause cholesterol levels to rise even in those who previously had normal readings. Physical activity often decreases as well, compounding the issue. This is why cardiologists frequently recommend dietary adjustments before prescribing medication. A breakfast like enhanced oatmeal offers multiple benefits at once, as it is heart-friendly, stabilizes blood sugar, and sustains energy throughout the day without digestive discomfort. Magnesium from oats and walnuts contributes to normal heart rhythm and muscle function. The antioxidants in berries protect not just the heart, but also the eyes and brain, reducing risks of macular degeneration and cognitive decline. Together, these nutrients form what many nutritionists call a longevity breakfast, which is the one that fuels the body, preserves vitality, and promotes graceful aging. The timing also matters. Morning is the body's most receptive window for nutrient absorption. After a night of fasting, insulin levels are low and cells are ready to absorb healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Eating this kind of meal early helps optimize metabolism for the rest of the day, giving you sustained energy while providing maximum cardiovascular protection. How science proves this habit works. Science has long supported the idea that what we eat every morning can directly shape our heart health, energy, and longevity. And among all breakfast choices, oatmeal stands out as a true hero, especially when combined with heart-strengthening ingredients like flax seeds, walnuts, cinnamon, and berries. These simple additions transform an ordinary bowl of oats into a powerful shield against aging arteries and high cholesterol. Let's take a deeper look at how real scientific research supports this daily habit and why it can make such a remarkable difference in your health after 60. Researchers at the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition conducted an in-depth study on adults over 60 who consumed oatmeal every day for 12 weeks. The results were striking. Participants who enjoyed oats regularly experienced a 7% drop in LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, and a significant boost in blood vessel flexibility. Compared to those who ate refined cereals, the oatmeal group had better arterial elasticity, which means their blood vessels were healthier, less stiff, and more capable of maintaining smooth blood flow. This improvement alone can drastically reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Another fascinating discovery comes from Harvard University, where researchers observed the effects of adding nuts and seeds to a fiber-rich breakfast like oatmeal. The results showed that participants who included these nutrient-dense additions experienced up to a 35% reduction in inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein within just 8 weeks. These markers are directly linked to inflammation inside the arteries, which plays a major role in heart disease and aging. This means that a few spoonfuls of flax seeds or walnuts can actually help calm inflammation and protect the inner lining of your arteries. Similarly, experts at the Cleveland Clinic carried out a controlled study focusing on adults aged 65 to 80. The group that ate oatmeal enhanced with walnuts and berries displayed a remarkable improvement in endothelial function, which is the ability of blood vessels to expand and contract properly. This is vital because endothelial health is one of the strongest predictors of cardiovascular wellness. When blood vessels remain flexible, they can carry oxygen and nutrients more effectively throughout the body. Doctors involved in the study noted that such improvements are not just small gains, but represent meaningful steps toward lowering cardiovascular risk and improving overall vitality in older adults. Even the National Institute on Aging part of the U.S. National Institutes of Health, emphasizes the long-term importance of small, consistent dietary improvements. Their data shows that seniors who commit to just one healthy meal habit, like improving breakfast quality, are more likely to sustain it over time. These individuals experience steady progress in heart, brain, and metabolic health without needing drastic diets or complicated meal plans. This reinforces a key idea in nutrition science. Consistency matters far more than intensity. Heart disease remains the #1 cause of death among older adults. But that does not mean it's unavoidable. According to numerous studies, including decades of cardiovascular research, our daily choices, particularly what we eat in the morning, can shape how our heart functions for the rest of the day. Dr. Dariush Mozaffarian, a cardiologist and nutrition expert at Tufts University, explains that the foods we eat each morning set the biochemical tone for the entire day. That means your breakfast doesn't just fill your stomach, it literally programs your metabolism, hormones, and arterial function for hours ahead. So what makes this simple oatmeal combination so effective? It's the synergy of nutrients. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and helps flush it out of the body. Walnuts contribute omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce triglycerides and improve blood vessel health. Flax seeds provide both fiber and lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant properties that protect cells from damage. Berries, with their high levels of polyphenols and anthocyanins, fight oxidative stress and enhance blood circulation. Together, these ingredients create a meal that nourishes your heart, lowers inflammation, and keeps arteries youthful. The best part is that this habit doesn't demand radical changes. You don't need fancy supplements, complicated routines, or restrictive diets. Real transformation begins with small, consistent steps. Each morning, when you prepare this enhanced oatmeal, you're giving your body the tools it needs to repair, strengthen, and thrive. With time, your arteries become more flexible, cholesterol levels stabilize, and inflammation gradually subsides. These invisible improvements accumulate until one day the difference becomes visible in your medical reports and how you feel each day. Imagine visiting your doctor a few months from now. You're sitting in the examination room as your test results appear on the screen. Your cholesterol numbers are lower, your blood pressure looks steady, and your doctor smiles and says, "Whatever you're doing, keep it up." That's not coincidence or luck. That's science and consistency working quietly in your favor. It's the reward for showing up every morning and choosing nourishment over neglect. This is the beauty of small habits. They might seem ordinary, but over time they yield extraordinary results. A single bowl of oatmeal enriched with the right ingredients has the power to improve blood flow, clear plaque, and protect your arteries. It's a simple act that strengthens the foundation of your health day by day. So, tomorrow morning, as you stir your oats and sprinkle in those walnuts and berries, remember, this isn't just breakfast. It's your daily investment in a stronger heart, sharper mind, and longer life. The earlier you begin, the greater the benefits you'll enjoy in the years ahead. You don't need to chase quick fixes or extreme plans. Just commit to this nourishing routine and let nature, science, and consistency do their quiet work, one bowl at a time. Thanks for watching.